So welcome everyone to this month's presentation. We are going to be covering email marketing. And my computer's going a bit fast here. So we're going to be talking about how to build, run and analyze your email marketing campaigns. It's a lot of information to take in. And if you have any questions, there will be time at the end, as always. Just a quick introduction if you haven't been here before. My name is David Lowbridge. I'm an online marketing consultant, strategist and copywriter. I've worked in the industry for 12 plus years now. I've got a degree in Masters in Business from the University of Sheffield. And as a fun fact, I am a licensed and qualified reptile breeder. Today, we're going to be going through several features. A brief recap on email marketing laws. We covered them last time, but for those who aren't here or just would like a refresh on that, we're going to briefly go through those. So we're not going to take much time on that. Then we're going to be talking about how to build an email marketing list, how to create, write and design high converting emails, optimizing the sending time for emails and optimizing other elements of it as well, and monitoring the performance of emails. So looking at how they have done once we've sent them off and what that can actually tell us and how we can use that to perfect our email marketing. Just some quick email marketing statistics for those. These were the 2023 statistics. So the rate of return on investment for email marketing is between $36 and $44 for every $1 spent, which is the highest digital marketing channel for return of investment. Email marketing engagement has increased 77% over the past 18 months. So although that there are some people who say that email marketing is dead and no longer effective, statistics are proving that wrong every time. Last year, $11 billion was generated by email marketing campaigns alone. Emails with images and videos in them are much more effective, and we will be covering that later on. Many people check their emails before they do anything else in the morning. And I think a couple of us are probably thinking, yep, that's us, we do that. And 79% of people check emails while on vacation, and 69% of us check it while watching TV. And again, I could probably be guilty of one of those at least. So let's just quickly cover the email marketing laws. So this is the same slide that some of you might have seen last month. I've not really changed it. You know, the laws are pretty simple. You must have permission to email the recipient, whether they're a sole trade, when they're a sole trader partner, or there is any identifiable information in the email. So when we say identifiable information, it's a name or position within the email address. You must include a physical address and any tax or company number in the email. There must be a simple unsubscribe process on the email, so an unsubscribe button. Requests to be removed from the list must be processed in a timely manner. You've got to tell the customer who you are, what you're selling, and conditions of any offers. You must tell customers that they're subscribed to a mailing list if they haven't opted in. That's a really important one. But it really only covers if you're sending emails to things like info@company.com or things like that, because you really should have had their permission if they've got any identifiable information in there. And if you hire a company to complete any email marketing campaigns for you or campaigns to increase subscribers, you are still legally responsible. The agency is not responsible for any laws that they break. It is still down to you to make sure that laws are being followed. Again, things that don't protect you, you were told by the recipient, you were told the recipients had opted in. So if you bought a list and you were told everyone on that list says that you can contact them, that still doesn't protect you. And that's the thing, is that it is legal to buy an email marketing list, but it's not legal to email the people on it without permission. The company you're contacting is a limited company. Again, if there's identifiable information in that email address, you're breaking the law. You're a freelancer, doesn't cover you. You're not living in the UK, EU, USA, Canada, or wherever. If you're sending it to someone in the UK, just because you're living outside of the UK does not mean that you're protected from the UK laws. You've used an email marketing company and they say they don't do it or they don't allow that kind of behavior. If they break the law, it's still your responsibility. You've hired another person to complete the work, same thing. And the contact has emailed you in the past. If they haven't given you permission in the past to contact them via email, again, it doesn't protect you. So that was just a brief of it.